A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Young Brazilian swimmer Guilherme Caribe, a former student of the Don Bosco Salesian Institute in Salvador, BA, shows great promise for the Brazilian team that will participate in the upcoming Olympics to take place in Paris from Friday 26 July to Sunday 11 August 2024. The young Guilherme will arrive at the Games on the strength of the new record he beat in the 100 meters freestyle in March this year. A record that had been unbeaten since 2008 and that the Salesian past pupils stole from Olympic champion Cesar Cielo. The new best time, 40.55 to be precise, was obtained by the young man in the competition organized by the National Association of Collegiate Athletics, the most important university championship in the United States. Missionary Don Bosco, the Salesian mission office in Turin, is historically very close to the Philippines situation, at least as varied as the number of islands that make it up. There are 27 Salesian houses on the island where Manila is located, plus another 11 on the smaller islands, for a total of 38 presences that offer education and support, schooling and vocational training to the most fragile children and young people. From the first arrivals of Salesian missionaries in the 1950s to the present day, the Salesian presence represents an important point of reference for the inhabitants and for the authorities. The Don Bosco Boys' Home in Dumangas, in particular, was opened by the Salesians in 1998 on the island of Iloilo, the fourth largest in the Philippines, where beautiful beaches and crystal clear sea counterbalance a social context in which forms of economic and social poverty are nestled. The summer camps of the Itinerary of Education in the Peit IEF, which serve as preparation for the camps organized by the Youth Ministry delegations, involve thousands of young people in this Salesian summer. In particular, during the last weekend of June, the meetings for the IEF camps of the Spain Mary Help of Christians province SMX were held in Campano, while in the previous days the preparatory meetings of the Spain St. James Major province SSM had been held in Bilbao and Lugo. According to the coordinator of the SMX itinerary, Javier Zaldo, the main objectives are the encounter and coexistence with children, adolescents and young people of the same age, recreational and educational activities in free time, and the deepening of the relationship and encounter with God. The Salesian Institute for Youth Projects SIYP is excited to invite the Cape Town community to participate in the long-awaited Mandela Day event, which will take place on 18 July. It is an important event that aims to honor the extraordinary legacy of Nelson Mandela and to propose a positive change in the lives of the most vulnerable young people. The day will be enriched by the presence of Jenny Morris, famous chef and radio speaker known throughout South Africa. She and the SIYP team will prepare soups and sandwiches for the occasion to ensure that children in need have a tasty and nutritious meal. The whole community of Cape Town is called upon to join the chef in preparing meals, but also in donating what is needed for cooking. And that's not all. Citizens are invited to donate items of primary importance such as corn flour, rice, oil, sugar, jams, margarine, but also clothing, blankets, shoes and stationery for school. In collaboration with the Clerici Group, a leading company in the distribution of hydrothermal sanitary products, the Centro Nazionale Opere Salesiane Formazione Aggiornamento Professionale CNOS-FAP has developed a course dedicated to the entire thermo-hydraulic supply chain in order to create new generations of professionals thanks to what is intended to become a training incubator. Together with the CNOS-FAP Lombardy Region Foundation, a higher technical education and training center, LFTS in Italian, dedicated to logistics and thermohydraulics will be created in Brescia at the Don Bosco Institute and the new headquarters of Clerici Lab, designed to train high-level figures who will deal with the technical commercial management of the thermohydraulic sector. Dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.